From the man in the moon, to the man on the moon, to the moon of love. It's a big part of our culture. Now, 48 years after Neil Armstrong took that first small step onto the lunar landscape, a new art exhibition in Birmingham is exploring our relationship with our nearest heavenly neighbour. Audrey Diaz has this report.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
If Birmingham can't go to the moon, then the moon must come to Birmingham. Well, at least a replica of it, based on detailed images from the space agency NASA, and on display in this exhibition at Millennium Point.
This is the first opportunity the public will have to go around the far side of the moon and see the dark side, as it were, with all the details there. So it's made from a 5.5 gigabyte image from NASA. So every crater, every valley, and every mountain is described accurately.
One small step for man.
First conquered in 1969, the moon has been fascinating us ever since. But it's time for Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin to step aside. Enter 10-year-old Lewis, a budding astronaut from Wolverhampton.
I want to see if there's any living things, and I want to explore not just the world, outer space.
If young dreams of racing into space weren't enough,
Birmingham's association with this celestial object can be traced right back to the 18th century Lunar Society. In fact, the founding fathers of the Industrial Revolution relied on the moon as a guide to return home safely after their meetings.
Now it's capturing the imaginations in the modern city.
Totally amazing. The detail, how it's shaped, everything. I think it looks really realistic.
It could be like a hologram, or it could be like hanging from the ceiling. Like, I'm not sure what to think of it.
So what's that they say? Don't be afraid to shoot for the moon? Well, because sometimes you just might reach it. Audrey Diaz, BBC Midlands Today, in orbit.